A boy who was trapped in a household washing machine in China's eastern Shandong Province was successfully rescued by local firefighters, state media reported on Wednesday, February 20. Firefighters worked for half an hour to safely free the 2-year-old boy, Chinese state television CCTV reported. Rescuers were able to cut through the basket's plastic side to a point where they could break it apart with their hands. Just one day earlier, CCTV reported on Tuesday, February 19, that a 3-year-old girl was rescued safely by local firefighters on Sunday from a washing machine in the same province.